All right, so ladies and gentlemen, like to talk before, now the time for the Coco Lade Day. The Coco
Make
Lade
a tell
Day.
them the cocoa.
Yeah.
Make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa.
All right. All right. When you see now, 1, 2, 3, hey. Coco number 1. Yaga, 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 yeah. All right. So my Coco number 1 this night. Professional work, doctors. To do professional work like doctor work, now really work we go demand a lot of concentration.
Yes.
A lot of concentration because the wrong move fit keep person.
Yes.
The wrong decision in your when you want I want to say subscribe. when you take care of patients, or for those who they do surgery work, the wrong move fit go keep person.
Yes.
You understand? Another reason why some kind of work like doctor work, because those of now they do medicine, make una just use
prescribe drugs and all that.
Please, because very, very important. Now, my first gist. This doctor and a surgeon, a doctor, they say they want to do hernia operation for one particular patient. You know, and that means and get one kind of cyst, like growth for the man powerhouse, where they also want to do some kind of things
Cyst growth?
cyst, be like growth now, be like extra growth for corner. I said, so when the guy does the carry things, they try arrange it to make it by mistake, he gonna come out the guy one of the egg. Right now, last the guy can go do mistake, can go chop off the guy the egg. So now he no can tell
the guy
he can't tell say, you know what really happened. One of your egg is not to the function so well. Now the reason why we decide to say we just you can't tell the many people then way in the do the work with the surgery say not tell them more.
I wish you go down with this.
But along the line, you say people on their mind, some people mind know they feel stay. Now the G's come out last. They carry the guy go court. Because say, what's happen? Based on your profession as the doctor and surgeon where you be, why you go do this kind of thing? He say na mistake. Say see. And then right now they did cause they do the whole thing. Name na Farouk. They do all the plenty back and forth talk. But please, I cannot hear gist before.
A lot.
Say they go do surgery work finish. They go leave scissors,
needles and stuff
inside person belly. Some people they will do so. I beg, when I they do those kind of very, very important kind of work, I beg, make you chook inside where. Because imagine say doctor, and not be small work. Imagine say doctor now, maybe one wife or one person breaking heart for outside. Or you can't think of Nigeria economy.
Mentally,
or one person go thief in money where don't they keep since. You can't do surgery, what can't they think the thing?
I tell you.
Now, all these women for this what? They could just do anyhow. I maybe now you're listening, they do.
Not be fix and back.
Maybe swan. Don't tell anybody. Okay, so please make that chook inside the whole thing very well. I beg, make you know they lose life on top a surgery table. Thank you very much. So Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Yay! This one now, we say they call Oturubeke. You know, because please, I'm not in the position to come to advise people for marriage. You know, but I could just summarize the whole thing like relationship. You understand? If you be man, I've not told this thing before. If you be man, you dey inside relationship, or you get, okay, I say you get partner. I beg, not go to cheat on partner. Please, if you know you're not ready to be a married somebody or to be a relationship, stay your own.
Stay out.
Hey, if you know say you never do you, just stay.
Just sit
If you
down.
know say you cannot stay or put your eye for one place,
Sit down house.
stay. It's safer to be like that than to come and kill yourself by cheating somebody. Eh? Now, for Benue, now this one happen. This woman and her husband, he say the man, she don't notice that the man come cheat on her. See the guy come cheat on her, they do some kind of waka for the, so she come dey catch him. Now maybe she dey go through him phone or she dey follow some kind moves, go dey catch him for some kind place. Now last, now the woman now come arrange for her brothers. Now, people for area, don't notice it, then they see the man again. What's happen? Wait the man. They don't see him, they don't see him motor. They say, what's happen? Some people can say, they last see the man on so they will. Now they come to ask, Madam, how far now? He say, she don't see her husband, no. He say, now he no raise alarm. Many talk come enter the whole thing. Last, police come, they find this guy everywhere. They come, they comb the full area. They find whether they will see the man anywhere. Maybe non-Chris waka or something. Now along the line, some people then wait there for the house, can't see one other guy for somewhere with the man cloth. I can say, what thing they use our Oga cloth to do? I say, night police grab the guy. They grab that one. Come after, you know police now. The touch on the guy talk by force. He say, hey, now the man wife. Say, now his wife, now arrange me the deal with the man for cheating on her. And they go call the woman, Madam, come explain yourself. As the woman reach there, after many interrogation, and of course they go after many things. Then the man say, say the man they cheat on her. So she can go arrange her brothers, make her brothers them can't deal with the husband for her. So now they can't go deal with her and reach where they can't go kill her. They can't carry him, but they can't go dump him for one river. They dump the body. How people think they live safe? Human beings. They can't go dump from one river. There is the river finish. They don't end there. Can't carry the man motor. Can't go sell. 650K. Now the woman out of that 650,000, they can't come up 400,000. Can't give the woman. The woman say can't keep him.
They flex.
So how you want to talk? Say, I did not mean to. You don't understand. But last.
When you finish work.
This one they say they finish the work. They finish all the thing. You know, police can say okay, maybe they won't go. Maybe they could waka go water. Maybe they go see the man. They say after many days, say fish don't do all the work we won't do. When I want to see in body collect, you know. But last now, police don't grab the woman. They don't catch the man, and they don't catch all the brothers that we involved for the whole badness. But very sad story. But please, my own I go carry my talk go for the two sides. If you person will be say anger, I be worry you. Not going to make move based on your anger or make decision based on your anger. If you go cause wahala pass waiting the original wahala be. Now cheating now be all this one.
Just cheating, they
Now cheating no. Now person die. So now the woman can enter prison. That's one stay prison now. What you gonna tell yourself for that prison now?
You won't talk.
People they don't cheat on before. They know kill person. They don't kill themselves. So why your own different? You understand? No matter what, no matter what thing. And secondly, for the man them, because this thing, it has put many men in trouble.
Very.
I take God beg you. Starting from the days of
some serious men.
some serious men then. Now this thing they put trouble. Some serious men, no. See Samson now. Samo.
He lose his muzzle.
Until the light that you come, just the women. And that apple, what they say Adam chop that year. Some people say they argue and say not be real apple. Say na
I love you.
So but please, make all of you the behave ourselves, because please. No cheat. At the same time, if you invest, know where your vest they reach. Thank you very much. Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Boom. Okay, now see this economic wahala way Nigeria dey side so. It dey affect all sectors.
Everywhere. Anything, just anything. Just
Everywhere.
it affect anything.
Some dey vex for Uncle Boo. Some dey talk say na Uncle Boo na dey. Uncle Boo dey talk him own. They say okay, budget. They don't, but budget they never assign anything anywhere. So money na no dey anywhere. But my brother and sister, make I tell you one thing. Inside all this talk, when they talk like this, I see person wasting offload Porsche last week.
I tell you, people biting, they ball.
Now, some
the
people
entire club they declare like.
Now, some say they open house. Some say they buy new motor for their wife or for their husband. So there's still money. The fact say
you not there where you
not there where you did, not mean say you not there. Okay? So basically that. Now, you saw the wahala said, see one chance people. They catch some one chance guys. They come tell and say, hey, see look at you like, hey, what did happen? Why not do this kind of badness? They say, my brother, now the economic situation that push us. Now normally economic situation, they always push them. You know, but one of them can't go to talk. He say, even now, my brother, he say business they move like before again. He say, he say, He said before they make like 150,000 one night. If you make like 150,000 or even 1 week self or something. But now, because of the economic situation, people they carry us go like ATM. We reach for that place now, then they get past like 10,000 for their account. So sometimes last we see 5,000, 2,000, 10,000. So me and my guys they will come to share 20,000 after a hard day work, you know, or 30 or 40. But no, they pass 40 these days. Unlike before, like 150K, they go see share among themselves. You know, but now because of the economic situation, he's gonna say, please, being they use God, beg the president. Say me, I beg, make
you let it thing flow.
Make things just, you know, even if they are, if you arrest them, in colleagues they for our side, so that you go, so there'll be money around.
The meetings they flow. Hunger day.
Very soon now, our sister them prostitutes, doesn't they conflict their own now? Customer not there again, no. No cost, please.
They price anyhow.
Uncle Boo, people are pricing us low, too much. Before 5,000, we know how many we they go. But now, they come now, they buy corn for us. Corn and 500 naira. What is corn and 500 want to do for me? So please, so come carry corn and ube. Because more your chop, you know, for energy. But please, everybody try hold yourself and do the right thing at the right time. Because we know say you guys stay for the country right now. But please, let's do the right thing. Okay?
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.